Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your HONOR Earbuds to Lite on your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. And I have stock Android, so on stock Android, near to the name, I have this pencil icon, and I need to tap at this icon. On some devices, this icon located at the right top. Also, some devices have a line with a name, so you need to tap at this line if you have it. But I'm going to tap at this icon, and right here you can write the best one for you. You can also remove some text, but I want to only add this one. Now, the most important is to click Rename to save this new name. But on your phone it may be not rename, but OK, check mark, done, or something else. Tap at this button, and now we just save it, so as you can see we change the name. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!